Hi everyone, I have a question today. I have this rig which is nice and beautiful. I love this. It takes beautiful videos and it works perfectly with any, setups and situations. But I came across one problem which I'm not happy with. I have this beautiful external monitor, and the only problem is I've noticed, especially outside, when you're working outside, when you tilt the camera, your monitor tilts too. And you're losing all the beautiful, benefits from that monitor because the angle changes and you don't see that picture anymore as good as it was before. So if anyone have a solution how to, fix this problem, how to set up monitor so it won't tilt when you tilt in camera, please give your input if you know how to set up this. I know there is a lot of pros who's doing pro videos, and they probably have had this fixed long time ago. I just maybe don't know how to do this. So please give me the advice, and thanks in advance.